Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. We have 5 ones in first expression and we have 5 ones in the next expression, and we have one multiplication here, 2 ones here, and 1 here. So maybe you solve this math expression in this way. First expression gives us 5, and the next expression gives us 5, and now here gives us 2, and 1 times 0 gives us 0 and 1. And then maybe you add these numbers together. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10, and 10 plus 2 gives us 12. 12 plus 1 gives us 13. But this answer is not correct. So if you see the expression again, you understand that here we don't have any addition, and here we don't have any addition. So you must combine this one to this one. That gives us 11, not 1 plus 1. And this one to this one again. So we have actually 111 here and 111 here. Now we have 4 ones here, that gives us 4. 3 ones here, that gives us 3. And we have one multiplication here, that gives us 0, 1 here, and 1 here. So now you can add these numbers together. We have 4 plus 11 plus 3 plus 11 again plus 1 and plus 1. Now these numbers gives us 4 plus 11 gives us 15. 3 plus 11 gives us 14. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Now 15 plus 14 gives us 29, and 29 plus 2 gives us 31. The final answer is 31. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.